Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then you are missing out on a lot because we cover a lot of free resources in this channel, including reviews, trading strategies, trading indicators, and a whole lot more, okay, that can enhance your trading journey. All right, so if you are looking to take your trading game to the next level, then you are in the right place. Okay, the Forex Geek channel is for you. All right, in this particular video we are going to be diving deep into the secrets of the Mark Minervini trading strategy. Okay, one of the effective approaches out there. All right, so if you are ready to uncover how successful traders consistently outperform the market, hit that like button and let's get started. First things first, let's talk a little about Mark Minervini himself. He's a celebrated stock trader and author known for his impressive track record in the market. Minervini's trading strategy has gained a massive following, and for a good reason. His methods focus on precise stock selection and rigorous analysis, enabling traders to capitalize on market movements effectively. Now, what exactly makes Minervini's strategy so successful? Here are some of the core principles. The first is focus on leading stocks. All right, focus on leading stocks. Minervini believes in identifying stocks that are leading the market. Now, these are the ones that outperform their peers, often showing strong relative strength. We'll discuss how to spot these stocks using key indicators. Now, secondly, risk management. One of the biggest secrets to success in trading is protecting your capital. Minervini emphasizes the importance of setting strict stop-loss orders and knowing your risk tolerance. This way, you can minimize losses and maximize your chances of success. All right. Now, thirdly, entry and exit points. Timing is everything in trading. Minervini uses specific patterns and setups to determine optimal entry points. We'll go over some of the most effective patterns to look for. Okay. Now, fourthly, market conditions. Understanding the overall market trend is crucial. Minervini teaches traders to analyze market conditions and adjust their trading strategies accordingly. We'll cover how to evaluate whether the market is in a bullish or bearish phase. Okay. Now, beyond technical skills, Minervini highlights the psychological aspects of trading. Emotions can cloud judgment and lead to poor decisions. We'll discuss techniques to maintain discipline, manage emotions, and stick to your trading plan no matter the market conditions. Now, one thing to know is that Minervini's trading strategy revolves around disciplined stock selection, okay, effective risk management, precise timing, and a strong psychological mindset. Okay, by implementing these principles, you can significantly enhance your trading effectiveness. Okay, all right. So remember that when you want to identify stocks that are doing well, you have to look at the numbers. You have to do your research, of course. You have to find out what stocks are. You have to find out the sentiment surrounding the stocks. Look at the fundamentals. Are there any economic events? Are there any news that tend to propel the value of the stocks higher? Look at the current performance of a couple of stocks and you will be able to know which one is doing better. Okay, so when you want to spot stocks, you have to look at fundamentals. All right, you have to look at fundamentals, key economic indicators revolving around those stocks. Okay, And it's very important that when trading, you should only use an amount that you can afford to lose. All right, risk management is paramount. Minervini believes that risk management should be considered very importantly. Okay, all right. He emphasizes the importance of setting strict stop losses. So when you enter a trade, make sure that you set strict stop losses. Okay. Now, remember that even in terms of entry and exit, when you enter a trade, it's important that you try as much as possible to wait patiently for your strategy to align. Okay, do not just jump into the market. Make sure that you find optimal entry. Look for confirmations. Okay, it's important that you get confirmations before you enter a trade. All right, get confirmations before you enter a trade. You can look for technical patterns. Yeah, after you must have considered these fundamentals surrounding those particular stocks, then when it is time to enter a trade, you should look for chart patterns, perhaps candlestick patterns or any technical patterns at all. We have discovered some, we have covered a couple of technical patterns on this channel. You can decide to go over them. We've discussed some candlestick patterns, we've discussed bullish and bearish chart patterns and all of that. So it's important to pay attention to chart patterns when you want to enter a trade and when you want to exit a trade as well. Okay, now basically when it comes to the overall trend in a market, it's very easy, relatively easy to identify. All you have to do, you have to look for the constant direction. Perhaps you are new to the term bullish structure or bearish structure. When you want to identify the overall trend of a market, you have to just look for something we call higher highs and higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows. As in the case of a bearish trend, this is a bearish structure that we have here because the market was creating lower highs, as we can see, and lower lows. Okay, so in the case of a bullish market, you will find higher highs, right, and higher lows. Okay, so it's very important that you identify the overall trend in the market before entering a position. All right, it's very, very important. Okay, now I hope you found this video valuable. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow traders. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into trading strategies, market analysis, and expert tips. Join our community of traders who are committed to continuous learning and success in the market. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.